So take them over to the sink and just run cool water over them.
I'm Miss Jo Hendrickson. Miss Jo is what everybody knows me by. This is Stuart Middle School. I'm the Family and Consumer Science teacher. We actually just started this program here at Stuart last year. This year's a lot better. We actually started our own chapter of FCCLA, which is state and nationally affiliated. So we use this program through Family and Consumer Sciences, but this is actually, everything's donated by Cooking Matters. And that program is focused on whole foods and teaching kids how to use whole foods versus packaged foods that has all the chemicals. There we go. These kids get to prepare the foods here, and the big thing is them getting to do it themselves. And then each kid that comes gets groceries of everything we've made, and they get to take the groceries home and then teach their families how to prepare the whole foods. So we have students who, after they get their groceries that day, they will take it home and prepare it for their family.
We're going to use the vegetable.
I mean, my mom literally told me to cook last night. I thought it would help me cook better.
What's your favorite part about cooking?
Eating the food. Yeah, eating the food. It's the best.
So it says we have bananas, but we don't. So what we're going to do, we're just going to do the fruit. And in order to make smoothies, what's our first step?
It's important because the health of all of the young people in our country has really went downhill, and it's because of the food system. It's because of the processed foods and the chemicals that are allowed to be put in it. So Cooking Matters focuses on whole foods, healthy food choices, and having kids be able to not just prepare, but also understand purchasing. This program actually, if it's set up the way I would love to see it set up district-wide, I would love to see the middle school programs feed into the high school academies. The #1 moneymaker in the world overall is food service. And this is teaching our kids that they can do food service and they can do it with healthy whole foods.